What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the Outlaw Farm. I just straight piped my old beater truck, so I'm going to do a little bit of a showcase video here just so you guys can hear what it sounds like for anyone else who has a 97 through 2003 F150 with a 4.6 liter Triton V8. And this is also going to be a cold start. It's a pretty brisk 25 degrees out here in this wonderful Pennsylvania tundra, and truck hasn't been started in like 3 days because I've been driving the old 6.0 Power Stroke, and so she's probably going to turn over pretty slow since the batteries are probably original from 97. Mind the exhaust leak, every Triton has that. Well, there you go, YouTube. Now you know what a 4.6 sounds like when it's straight piped. If you want to do this to your own truck, just saw the muffler off there and put in a cheapo piece of flex pipe. And then I sawed the tailpipe off of the muffler, attached it there, rigged up an exhaust strap, and then put a 5-inch tip on her. That's all it is. Not too loud, but it sounds pretty good. So yeah, if you guys like the video, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next episode of Outlaw Farm.